So I'm preparing this video. I'm sharing this video with those who have confusion regarding the six-figure grid reference, right? So you have to find out the six-figure grid reference of the triangulated height. As you can see in front of you, the triangulated height 224. So the first step, I'll tell you stepwise. The first step is that for whatever feature you have to find out the six-figure. The first thing is you will find the four-figure grid reference of that particular feature first of all. So if you have to find out the four-figure grid reference of this triangulated height 224, so the four-figure grid reference will be, the easting is 27 and the northing is 06. So what you will write? You will write 27 for third easting, you will put a dash, and 06 for third northing, you will put a dash. Now our task is to find out the third easting and the third northing here. For this, what you will do is you will drop a vertical line and one horizontal line from this feature. Okay, so and whatever feature you have to find out the six-figure of, you always consider the midpoint, right? Center of that feature. So considering the center, you first of all drop a vertical line like this, and then you make a horizontal line like this, right? After having done that, what you will do is you will take your scale and you will keep your scale in the manner that 0 is here. This is the starting point. As I have told you that southwest corner is always the starting point. So you will keep your scale so as to start from here. So 0 should be here, and you will see that if you keep the scale like this, we know that the grid square it measures 2 centimeter, right? So from 0 to 2 there will be how many demarcations? There will be 20 demarcations. So you will see that with which mark this vertical line which you have dropped, it is coinciding with, right? So here in this case, if you see, if you put the 0, the scale like this, so this vertical line which you have made, it coincides with eighth mark of your scale. So now what you will do is you will divide this 8 by 2. So you will get the answer as 4. So this becomes your third easting. Same way you will do for the northing also. Now you have to find out the third northing. So now keep the scale again like this, so as your starting point is southwest corner, right? Again from 0 to 2 centimeter, a grid square measures 2 centimeter. So you will see that the line, horizontal line which you have dropped, it coincides with which part? So again you will see that the line which you have made, it is coinciding with the fourth mark of your scale. So what you will do, 4 divided by 2, it gives you 2. So this becomes your third northing. So what will be the six-figure grid reference? It will be 274062. And how did we find the third easting and third northing? We have found this third easting and third northing by dropping in the vertical and horizontal line. So when you find out the value of this vertical line, this gives you third easting, and when you find out the value of this this horizontal line, it gives you third northing. So here an important thing for you is that you should always keep your scale properly. Don't just keep in mind, be careful, it should not be the other way, right? You have to be very careful where 0 has to be kept in the starting point, right? So whatever feature it is coinciding with, divide the value by 2 and you get the third easting and third northing. In case you get the value in points, so you can round off. Suppose you divide and you get the answer as 4.5, right? So you can either write 4 or you can write 5. So either you can write down the whole number which you are getting or you can round off this number, right? So both the things will be correct.